Suki Clothing Reviews, is legit or a scam? Suki Clothing Reviews, is legit or a scam? If you've stumbled upon Suki Clothing online, you might be tempted by its stylish and affordable fashion items. But is this store trustworthy, or could it be a scam? Most people get this wrong by judging legitimacy based on website design alone. The surprising truth is that Suki Clothing has mixed reviews online. While some customers report receiving their orders, others mention delayed shipping, missing items, and difficulty reaching customer support. The lack of verifiable reviews outside the store's website is another warning sign. You won't believe what happens next. Some users report that products look different than advertised, with fabric quality or sizing not matching expectations. This is a common tactic among unverified online clothing stores, attracting buyers with low prices but delivering subpar products. To shop safely, check for clear return policies, secure payment options, and reviews on independent platforms. Compare items with similar products from established brands, and avoid giving personal data beyond what's necessary for a purchase. In conclusion, Suki Clothing carries potential risk for online shoppers. While you might have a positive experience, inconsistencies in reviews and reports of poor customer service suggest caution. Always research thoroughly and prioritize safety before making purchases from lesser-known online stores.